This is a special video about the FTI, how to set up it, what it all means, and how to make it the perfect for our needs. First, this is the FTI. Now you can go to the settings. What are all the settings? The ATR multiplier is the average true range. This is basically our stop loss. Okay, I will not go through what is ATR. You're more than welcome to check the Fibonacci-Traders Academy playlist. We have a special video on the ATR. The ATR basically is how far are we going to put the stop loss from our entry point. Now this is the stop loss. Let's say we are on rent, okay, rent long. This should be our stop loss according to ATR 1.1. Now of course we can show buy sell signals. Now what is the auto fib length? The auto fib length is basically Fibonacci numbers, and it will search for the highest high, swing low in the past 8 candles. 13, same thing, swing high, swing low in the past 13 candles, and so on and so forth. The further you take it, the higher the time frame. We can go all the way up to 144. There is no wrong or right on the settings. Usually I use the 21 or the 34 on the daily. For day trading I use the 21, 13 and even 34. And now we have all these levels. Try not to touch them. These levels are the Fibonacci settings. This is the Fibonacci ratios, so try not to touch them. Moreover, we have in the style here, we have the plot. The plot is basically the beginning and the end, and you can also add the minus to the Fibonacci. How you do it? Just add it here. Also here you have it, and now you have all the levels to the up and to the down, as you can see right here. Okay, the below levels below the beginning point of the FTI. Now what else do we have? You can take it also off, doesn't really matter. You go here and you take it off. Labels, all the labels, buy, sell labels. You can add also lines, as you can see, Fibonacci lines. We have it over here. It works basically, once you are on logarithmic, it works better than if you're not on logarithmic. Okay, if you're on regular, you see you have some kind of divergence. If you're on log scale, you can see it much better. What else do we have? Of course, also double click on the FTI. You have also the table over here. Now we have also the table. You can shut it down, both, or put it on. Time frame, you can adjust the time frames from 1 second all the way to 12 months, which is basically 1 year. Depends on the time frame that you are trading. For swing traders, what I found, the best swing trading time frames are the 64, 4 hours, 1 day and 1 week. Color, you can adjust whatever you like. And also deviation multiplier is based on Fibonacci ratios, Fibonacci numbers. Basically it says how wide or how thin you want your trend lines, and as you can see now it's 1.382. If you go like this, it's a little bit wider, so it basically, there is no wrong or right. Also here basically 1618 works perfect on all time frames. All the rest is just tweaking. That's it. Let's take another example, the SPY on the daily. This is how it looks. We have the trend lines. Look how the 1618 and the deviation multiplier works perfect. Shows us the way to the up. We have the bullish time frame, 65, 4 hours daily, weekly. We have the yellow zone. Now, this is the recent high. This is the recent low, right? But I can take it also another value to the downside, like the 13. And now it takes this low, right? This is also low. Just depends on how tight you want the FTI, the support and resistance to the future to be. You can take also 144 and look at this. It goes all the way back to October of 2023. Why? Because it searched the recent low in the past 144 candles. It went all the way down to October of 2023, which means now you're trading according to this trend. But if you want to be a little bit more accurate, so you need to find the trend, the recent trend. Usually it's the 21 or the 34 last candles. Now some adjustments. As you can see, for some of you, you will see all these labels and such noise over here. So what do? Just right click over here, go to labels, and this check, uncheck. This also no overlay, just uncheck it, and that's it. You see? Clean.